Audi continues its electrification campaign with the Q3 45 TFSI and the Q3 Sportback 45 TFSI. The plug-in hybrid drive installed in both models delivers a system output of 180 kilowatts, 245 PS, and both compact SUVs can cover a distance of up to 61 kilometers, 37.9 miles, in the NEDC powered purely by electricity. In the WLTP, the distance is 51 kilometers, 31.7 miles, for the Q3 45 TFSI and 50 kilometers, 31.07 miles, for the Q3 Sportback 45 TFSI. The Q3 45 TFSI costs €46,000, including 19% VAT, the Q3 Sportback 45 TFSI €1,400 more. Customers can claim a subsidy of €6,750 in both cases. The two Q3 models both include a 1.4 TFSI as the combustion engine. This four-cylinder delivers 110 kilowatts, 150 PS. The drive is completed by a permanently excited synchronous machine, PSM, which provides 85 kilowatts of power. The PSM is integrated in the housing of the 6-speed tronic together with the separating clutch. This dual-clutch transmission, which transfers the power to the front wheels, integrates an electric oil pump. This ensures the supply and thus the function of the clutches, and with that the gear selection even when the TFSI engine is switched off. Great driving pleasure and high efficiency. The powertrain of these two new models offers both. The 1.4 TFSI and the electric motor together generate 180 kilowatts of system output, 245 PS, and system torque of 400 Nm, 295.02 lb-ft. Both the Q3 45 TFSI and the Sportback take 7.3 seconds to burst from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62.1 miles per hour, and both reach a top speed of 210 km per hour, 130.5 miles per hour. In the new European driving cycle, the consumption of the Q3 45 TFSI is 1.7 to 1.4 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers, 138.4 to 168.0 US mpg, 39 to 32 grams of CO2, 62.8 to 51.5 g/mi. The Q3 Sportback 45 TFSI records the same values of 1.7 to 1.4 liters of fuel per 100 kilometers, 138.4 to 168.0 US mpg, 38 to 33 grams of CO2, 61.2 to 53.1 g/mi. The total range achieved by both models is approximately 710 kilometers, 441.2 miles, testifying to their great suitability for everyday use. The high voltage battery is located under the vehicle floor in front of the rear axle. Its 96 prismatic cells store 13.0 kilowatt-hour